Asphalt sprayed smooth like wax. No need for old-school paving. Smooth as concrete, flat as glass. Satisfying, isn't it? Cuts roads straight as a ruler. They be. How deep is that groove, you think? Magnet clicks up metal fast. How many pounds in 1 minute? Cuts giant stone like cold butter. Each block weighs over 200 pounds. Metal edges shaved smooth like peeling an apple. Fits any workshop setup. Dry rice gets gathered and packed in one go. Saves over 3 workers' effort. Not a single plant missed. Whole field harvested in one morning. Blow molded to perfection. What do you think this mold is used for? Car frame coated with static electricity. How long does it protect? Paper pressed like bricks. Perfect for carton box production. Red-hot rivets pressed tight. Hydraulic grip sticks like glue. Sling straps woven like braids. How many US tons do you think they can lift? Side milling smooth as cheese slices. That surface is satisfying. Shuttlecocks made as neat as prints. How many do you think they make in an hour? CNC welding robot moves like calligraphy. Precision down to plus 0.004 inches. Hauling gear feels like pulling luggage. This tool's a game changer. Lemons sorted like eggs at a farm? How many per minute, you think? Meat chopped like EDM beats. Kitchen pros love this machine. This grinder spins non-stop. Chews through everything like it's nothing. Concrete blocks pressed like flan molds. How heavy do you think one is in pounds? Steel bent to 90 degrees, accuracy down to 0.04 inches. Drills wood into a spring shape. How fast does it spin per minute? Shrink wrap seals like glue. Over 50 packs handled per minute. diesel sawdust cutter roars. How heavy is this beast, you think? Food packaging line runs like a race. This factory must be booming. Brush loaded smooth like peanut butter. Tiny tool, massive help. Fabric cut razor sharp. Any idea what blade it's using? Hammers concrete without lifting a finger? Big builds owe it to this beast.